guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and this is the look I did today. I actually really like how it came out, and I actually got inspired from another YouTuber here, another beauty guru, and her name is Azraelia. Azraelia, I really hope I'm pronouncing it right, but I'm gonna go ahead and tag her channel down below so you guys can see the amazing work she does. And I got inspired by her Spotlight Halo eye prom tutorial, and I went ahead and recreated it. Okay, first of all, okay, and I'm gonna go for some dramatic eyebrow, Instagram eyebrows right now. Kind of just like outline it. Bless you. Thank you. And as you can tell, this is a very delicate process. Carefully and oh so light. Get in there and throw away. Problem. Oh. I really keep looking at my mirror, how I look on the camera, see if everything looks spiffy, but I'm gonna try not to do that anymore. I apologize. Okay, so just put that on there. So I'm gonna pick up the shade Creamsicle with my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm gonna apply that all along my crease as my transition shade. I forgot to do this part in the beginning, but I like to put tape along my eye just so my eyeshadow doesn't get messy and it's easier to clean up later. With my Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Hunts and apply that on top of that transition shade. I'm going to grab this detail brush from Sigma and just start blending out those edges. As I'm blending with that Sigma brush, I'm going to go back in with my Kylie brush, and with whatever pigment I have left from Jack's, I'm going to go ahead and run that back over just to add some more color. I'm also doing the same thing with my Morphe M433 brush, and whatever pigment I have left from Hunt's, I'm going to run that back over, and in a bit you're going to see I'm going to go back in also with my first transition shade just to blend things out. Now I'm really focusing now on that outer edge and just patting down some Jack's with that same Kylie brush and blending out. And then I'm getting into the inner corner as well and packing that on with a flat side of a brush. And I'm just going to keep blending and packing and blending and packing. Cleaning up the middle of my eye to create that halo effect with this small concealer brush, and I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer as well and just patting that onto the middle. Now with that Kylie brush that I used to apply Jack's, I'm just blending out the outer edges to make it less harsh. I'm going to grab this Morphe M167 brush and I'm going to dip into the shade Firework from the same palette and just start on the outer part of where we laid down the concealer. I'm not going all the way to the middle. As I'm doing this, I'm going to do it at an angle. I just cleaned my brush off and now I'm going to take the shade Sissy and apply that in the middle, but I'm not going all the way up. Detail brush. And just apply it in the middle there. With that dipping back into Jack's and just blend. I'm going to grab the NYX glitter primer and I'm going to create a line right here, just in the middle of where that middle, those like two middle shades are, the shimmery ones. And it's by Pinky Rose. I'm gonna grab this glitter from Sasha's Vanity in the shade or style Sagittarius. And this is kind of just like a silver glitter. It's really, really pretty. This is what it looks like. That's the glitter right there. Let's see it. And I'm just gonna stamp that in. looks for you guys. So now I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take a clean brush. It's going to be the Morphe E167. I'm going to dip into the shade Beam. And I love this shade as a brow bone highlight. So pretty, and it's so true to its name. Because this truly beams, as you can see. Oh my god. So, woo! And I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my inner corner as well. Like, I wish I was going out. Whoa. So this is the look close up. I'm gonna just move a little closer. Like this, give me a thumbs up. I did a good job on it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. This is my makeup up close right here. Anyway, like my video and you want to see more, go ahead and check out my channel. I have some more looks for you guys if you're new. And thank you so much for watching. For everyone that's came back, and again, for those of you who are new, I would love if you subscribe to my channel.